Start. So, good evening, sir. So, ako niya akong Python nga system nga nabuhat. So, nadriya ang command pattern, observer pattern, o ang strategy pattern. So, na siya sa isa ka system. Then, so, ang goal ani nga system is maka-simulate og task scheduler na maka-execute og task synchronously or synchronously while mag-notify siya sa mga observers about sa task events like start, success, or mag-failure. So, let's start with the command pattern. So, ang command pattern kay encapsulate niya ang request as an object. So, mo nag-allow para sa parameters clients with different requests and support undoable operations. So, ito. So, diri as execute. So, diri. So, diri sa execute o sa undo. So, ang execute is para perform og task and ang sa undo is para maka-reverse maka-reverse if needed. So, ang task command nga class, ang task command nga class implements this interface. So, each task has a unique ID, a name, and a payload or data. So, sa sulod aning execute method is i-simulate na ako ang work by printing the task and sleeping for half a second. Kani nga method then returns a dictionary representing success. Then, ang kaning undo, isa, kaning un, you know, so, kaning undo nga, kaning undo nga method is may naga-print og message nga kung humana na ba ang task. So, next is ang observer pattern. So, kani nga pattern is nag-allow ni para multiple objects na to called observers to listen to and to react events emitted by a subject or a publisher. So, kani sa kong code, task publisher, uh, kani ang ato ang observer pattern. So, sa ako ang code, sa ako ang kuan, task publisher is may naga-keep og list of subscribed observers and can publish events. And each time an event occurs na like task started or mag-success or mag-failure, ina-notify niya mga observers by calling their update method. Update method. So, for example, the logger observer, ina-print yan detailed logs of what happened. Doon ang metric observer can be used to track statistics or performance sa metrics. Then the themselves are represented by the task event class, which includes the task ID, event type, message, runtime, and stamp. So next is let's move on to strategy pattern. So sa third behavioral pattern nato is kani. So kaning pattern is nag-allow us to define different algorithms or execution methods and switch between them at runtime. So tara akong gi-implement na mga strategies. Ang sync strategy, ang async strategy, o ang retry strategy. So, first is ang sync strategy. So, kani is ginarun niya ang command directly, then blocking them until it's done. Then next is async strategy. So, kani is naga-use siya og thread pool para maka-execute og commands asynchronously. Then lastly, ang retry strategy is ginarap around niya ang ang retry strategy is ginarap niya ang another strategy and automatically retries failed tasks a given number of times. So kaning each strategy is gonna notify niya ang publisher about the task progress through events such as started, success, or failure. So, ang scheduler. So, ang scheduler class acts as the invoker in the command pattern. So, ginahol niya ang queue of tasks and a chosen strategy for execution. So, you can schedule new commands and call run text to execute the next task in the queue using the selected strategy. So, ang nakalamang ani is, ano, we can dynamically change the strategy at runtime. So, example is, switch na to from synchronous execution to asynchronous without, without baguhon ang system na to. So, in the main section, first na ako, create na ako first ang task publisher and register two observers, a logger and a metrics observer. Then, nag-create ko retry strategy that wraps a sync strategy. So, pasabatan na is each task will run synchronously but it will mag-ano siya, mag-retry siya if mag-fail ang task. Then, I created two commands, one for sending an email and one for processing a file. And both tasks are scheduled in the scheduler queue and then executed one by one using runtext method. And then during the execution, we can see event logs in the console showing when each task starts, succeeds, or retries. So, to summarize, ang command pattern is siya ang nag-encapsulate sa task as objects. Then, ang observer pattern is gina-enable niya ang real-time notifications of task events. Then, ang strategy pattern is allow niya ang flexible execution methods synchronously or asynchronously or retry enabled. So, if i-mix nimo siya tanan, maka-create kag modular, extensible, and decoupled task execution framework. So, kani nga system is pwede ra kani siya padakuan. For example, mag-add kag new strategies like delayed execution or new observers like ano, database lagger. Di na nimo bago without changing the existing code structure. So, that's all.